If I had to start from zero today, this is exactly what I would do. Imagine waking up tomorrow. Your bank account says zero. No savings, no investments, no expensive car, no business, nothing. Everything you have worked for is gone. Now here is the question. Could you build your life back from scratch? Most people would panic. But after years of learning about money, investing, and wealth, I honestly believe that if you understand the rules of money, losing everything is not the end. It is just a new beginning. So today I'm going to walk you through the exact plan I would follow if I had to start from absolute zero in 2026. Not theory, not motivation, an actual step-by-step roadmap. Let's begin. Step 1, stop thinking about money, think about skills. This is the biggest mistake people make. When they have no money, they spend all day looking for money. That is backwards. Money follows value. If you can solve problems, if you have valuable skills, money eventually follows. So if I had nothing today, the first thing I would invest in would not be stocks. It would not be crypto. It would not even be business. I would invest in myself. I would spend every day learning skills companies and clients actually pay for. Skills like sales, copywriting, video editing, graphic design, programming, i.e. automation, digital marketing. These skills can literally change your income within months. Because unlike money, nobody can take your knowledge away. Step 2, increase income before cutting expenses. Most financial advice says, stop buying coffee, cancel Netflix, stop eating out. Sure, saving money matters, but you can only save so much. You can cut 300, maybe 500, but increasing your income, that is unlimited. I would focus every day on making more money instead of obsessing over spending less. Because someone making $8,000 per month has a completely different life than someone making $2,000. Income changes everything. Step 3, live like you are broke. This sounds strange, but one of the biggest reasons people stay poor. Lifestyle inflation. They get a raise. They buy a better car. They make more money. They rent a bigger apartment. Their income doubles. Their savings stay exactly the same. If I started over, I would keep my expenses as low as possible until my investments started paying for my lifestyle. Because rich people buy assets first. Poor people buy liabilities first. Step 4, build an emergency fund. Before investing, before taking risks, I would save enough money to survive several months without income. Why? Because life happens. People lose jobs. Cars break down. Medical bills appear. Without emergency savings, every unexpected expense becomes debt. Financial freedom starts with stability. Step 5, invest every month. This is where most people overcomplicate things. They try to find the next Bitcoin, the next Tesla, the next $1 million investment. Instead, I would invest automatically every single month. Consistency beats perfection. Even if it is only 100 or 200, the habit matters more than the amount. Because wealth is not built in 1 year. It is built over decades. Step 6, stay away from get rich quick. Every year, there's a new trend. Crypto, NFTs, Forex, options, altcoins. Someone always promises you will become rich overnight. Most people lose money because they are impatient. Real wealth is boring. It grows slowly. That is exactly why most people never stick with it. Step 7, build multiple income streams. One paycheck is dangerous. If your employer fires you, your income becomes zero overnight. That is why I would eventually build several income sources. Maybe a job, freelancing, dividend investments, a YouTube channel, a digital product, an online business. The goal is not working more. The goal is depending less on one source. Step 8, read more than everyone else. This sounds boring, but almost every successful investor has one thing in common. They read books, biographies, business, economics, psychology, because money is not just numbers. Money is behavior. The better you understand people, the better financial decisions you will make. Step 9, think long term. Everyone wants results in 6 months. Real wealth usually takes years. Imagine planting a tree. You do not dig it up every week to check the roots. You water it. You wait. You trust the process. Money works exactly the same way. Step 10, protect your mindset. This might actually be the most important step. If I lost everything, I would never tell myself, I am broke. Instead, I would say, I am rebuilding. Those are two completely different identities. One accepts failure. The other creates progress. Your mindset determines your actions. Your actions determine your future. Final thoughts. If I had to start from zero today, I would not panic. I would focus on skills. Increase my income. Lie below my means. Invest consistently. Ignore shortcuts. Keep learning. Stay patient. Because wealth is not created by one lucky decision. It is created by thousands of smart decisions repeated over many years. Remember, the first 1,000 is difficult. The first 10,000 feels impossible. The first 100,000 changes your life. But getting there always starts with the exact same first step. Taking action today. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about money, investing, and financial freedom, make sure to like and subscribe. And I have one question for you. If you woke up tomorrow with zero, what would be the very first thing you would do? Leave your answer in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.